Playoff Push Sports Cards, back with a really quick break. I'm going to do a box of these 2015 Topps Supreme Baseball. There's only 2 cards in a box. It's just a one-packer. Chris J, out Cards Infinity out in Carolina, bought a box from me. Bought a box from him, and he broke it for me live. And the 2 cards in there were a Carlos Delgado, 17 of 25, and the Roberto Ozuna, 17 of 25. Both of them 17 of 25. This is the rookie. So we are going to rip in real quick and see what's in this Topps Supreme. Just a very quick break. Let's see what is in here. Just comes in this. Wow, that seems really thin. It's a really thin pack. I'm guessing we probably have a redemption because it only feels like there's probably 1 card in there. And I see Didi Gregorius. Didi Gregorius for the Yankees. It's the first one. And the second is Noah Syndergaard. That's pretty good. Rookie autograph. So not bad. If you guys are interested in any of these cards, just click the link below and you can find them on the PPSC website. Thanks.